Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best airsoft guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the BBTAC Airsoft BTM40 spring-loaded rifle World War II replica. If affordability is your top priority, this budget-friendly airsoft rifle might be the one for you. Priced at just $43.97, this model is ideal for newcomers to airsoft or casual players who want a historically inspired design without breaking the bank. This rifle features a spring piston power system, meaning it requires manual cocking before each shot. The lightweight plastic construction makes it easy to carry during extended matches, but also reduces its durability compared to higher-end models. With a magazine capacity of 32 rounds and a realistic scale design, it's perfect for players looking to replicate a World War II aesthetic. However, the performance is best suited for backyard skirmishes rather than competitive gameplay. The pros of the BTM40 include its affordability and vintage appeal, while its cons lie in the limited build quality and low FPS compared to more advanced rifles. If you're just starting out or want a budget-friendly option for casual play, this is a solid choice. At number 4, we have the ASG Dan Wesson 6mm Airsoft CO2 Revolver BB gun, a fantastic choice for players who love the realism of revolvers. Priced at $99.95, this model is a mid-tier option that blends aesthetics and performance beautifully. The full metal construction, authentic markings, and unique serial number make it a collector's dream. Performance-wise, this revolver uses a CO2 power system, delivering up to 540 FPS for impressive velocity. Its double-action trigger system and rotating cylinder bring a true-to-life shooting experience, and the adjustable rear sight ensures accuracy during target practice. Each of the 6 cartridges holds a single BB, which adds to the realism but limits magazine capacity. Additionally, the ergonomic ABS grip makes handling comfortable, even during extended use. The ASG Dan Wesson excels in terms of build quality, power, and design, making it great for target shooting or immersive airsoft scenarios. On the downside, its low magazine capacity and reliance on CO2 cartridges may be a concern for players focused on prolonged gameplay. Overall, it's a stylish and high-performing revolver for enthusiasts who value authenticity. Taking the 3rd spot is the HK Heckler & Koch MP5 SD6 AEG Automatic 6mm BB Rifle Airsoft Gun by Umarex. This sleek and versatile airsoft rifle is designed for CQB close quarters battle scenarios, thanks to its compact design and injection-molded polymer stock. While pricing details are currently unavailable, its strong performance and high-capacity magazines make it a worthy contender. The MP5 SD6 features semi-auto and full-auto shooting modes and includes 2 200-round high-capacity magazines, ideal for fast-paced skirmishes. The metal alloy outer barrel adds durability, while the ambidextrous HK-style switches ensure easy operation for both right and left-handed players. Adjustable hop-up further enhances accuracy, making this rifle suitable for players seeking precision in tight spaces. On the downside, the polymer construction may not feel as robust as full-metal models, and it lacks some of the premium aesthetic touches seen on higher-end rifles. However, the MP5 SD6 remains a reliable option for players looking for a balance between performance and practicality. It's perfect for CQB enthusiasts who value versatility and magazine capacity. Coming in at number 2 is the Umarex HK Heckler & Koch HK 416 AEG 6mm BB Rifle Airsoft Gun by Elite Force. This rifle combines modern tactical design with impressive versatility, making it a top choice for intermediate and advanced players. While pricing isn't available at the moment, this model's robust features and performance are worth every penny. The HK416 comes equipped with flip-up sights, an accessory rail, and a collapsible stock for customization and ergonomic comfort. Its metal barrel ensures durability, while the hybrid power system offers electric and spring piston operation for reliability in various scenarios. With a magazine capacity of 250 rounds, you'll have plenty of ammo to dominate the field. The included MK23 spring-powered pistol sweetens the deal, giving players an additional sidearm for close encounters. The HK416 shines in build quality, customization potential, and overall tactical performance. However, its plastic frame may feel less premium than full metal rifles, and the package weight might be heavier for some users. This rifle is ideal for players looking to step up their game with a versatile and feature-rich airsoft weapon. And in the number 1 spot, we have the Evike Airsoft JG Electric Blowback AKS-74U folding stock with steel body and real wood furniture. Priced at $221.10, this premium airsoft rifle delivers top-tier build quality, performance, and realism, making it the ultimate choice for serious players. The AKS-74U stands out with its steel body, real wood furniture, and folding stock, offering incredible durability and a classic aesthetic. With an FPS range of 360 to 400 and selectable full auto or semi-auto modes, this rifle is built to excel in both outdoor and CQB environments. The pre-upgraded 7mm gearbox with reinforced parts ensures smooth operation, while the adjustable sight allows for precise aim. Keep in mind, however, that optics, battery, and charger are not included, so you'll need to purchase these separately. Its pros include exceptional build quality, powerful performance, and a timeless design, while its cons are the higher price point and additional costs for accessories. If you're looking for a high-end airsoft rifle that delivers both style and substance, the AKS-74U is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.